Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, trying to make the videos better for 2021. Doing my best. We'll see how they come out. So basically, we'll be working on the Can-Am some more today. My goal, hoping I can have the rear lift on today. Don't know if that's going to be possible, but we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening. I for sure want to start disassembling everything. I also got to look up the manual because I'll show you what I got. Let me bring it over here actually. Tried to keep everything organized. Oh, sorry. Watch out, swirling camera alert. So, this is what I received. Not the scissor. That's mine. We got a bunch of new bolts. I don't know what they're for. We got all these mounting brackets here as well, but they did not come with any instructions on how to use any of this. Now, what I'm assuming is you just have to match these up. So you got like two here, probably one for each side. Again, same with this one. You got the two brackets, but then we'd be missing one if we only got this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look up the lift kit and see. There should be instructions online, right? I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. And then we're going to start working on this because time is moving fast. I want to have this thing back up and going soon. For me to truly finish it, I'm waiting for my tax returns to come back. So that won't be till March, I'm assuming. Knowing how people are, how taxes are and everything else. And alright, I'll bring this down. But yeah, so let's get this set up. Let's just start working with this. Let's see what we got. Go from there. Seems like we got new bolts for everything, which is nice. But again, I have no idea where anything's supposed to go. So that'll be fun. Let's get on this, YouTube. Stay tuned. I'm going to look it up first, and then I'll get the video rolling once I start understanding how this all goes. Stay tuned.
Sidewalk. All I need is hearing your sweet talk. Yeah, feel so free. My mind wanna jaywalk. Yeah, take a sip of that crazy look in your eyes as we dance, as we move.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Just paused the music to finish off this video. So we have the Super ATV 2-inch lift kit installed. Take a look at how clean that looks. So that's for the rear. It's really pretty simple overall. To remove the rivet that was in the front here, all I did was took a, what do you call it? Looks like a V. You know, I actually never knew that tool name. I'm going to look that up later. Looks like a V. Basically, I took a hammer, I just knocked it out. It was pretty easy. We got the 2-inch lift up here. Very clean kit. It's solid. I have the bump stop there, and they leave you just enough room to put the little pin back in so it doesn't back out. Yeah, so she's coming along. Stay tuned. We got way more to do than just that. Trust me, this is just the beginning. I just got so much to do with this thing. I want to go crazy with it. I want to make it look just different, you know, because most of the Can-Ams all look the same. Trying to spice it up a little bit. So let's see what I can do with this. Stay tuned, YouTube. We got work to do to the plastic still. We got work to do to the headlights, everything. We got work to do to everything. So stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out on this very cold Saturday evening.